Hi friends, today we are talking about the novel The Stranger written by Albert Camus. This novel was published in 1942 uh, in French, originally in French language and as the El Étranger. And this was published in the United States as The Stranger and in the United Kingdom as The Outsider. Albert Camus was born in 1913 and was died in 1960. He was a French philosopher and novelist whose works examine the alienation inherent in modern life and who is best known for his philosophical concept of the observed. He explored these ideas in his famous novel The Stranger was published in 1942. He also wrote some other novels like The Plug in 1947 and The Fall in 1956, as well as his philosophical essays The Myth of Sisyphus in 1942 and The Rebel in 1951. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1957. His philosophy of absolutism can be exemplified in his essay Le Mythe de Sisyphus, The Myth of Sisyphus, in 1942. Camus defined the absurd as the futility of a search for meaning in an incomprehensible universe divided of God. Our meaning, absurdism, arises out of the tension between our desire for order, meaning, and happiness, and on the other hand, the indifferent natural universal's refusal to provide that. In the essay, Camus posed the fundamental philosophical question: is life worth living? Is suicide a legitimate response? If life has no meaning, he compared humankind's longing for order and meaning to the Greek mythological hero Sisyphus, who was condemned for eternity by the gods to roll a boulder up a mountain only to have it fall to the bottom. Like Sisyphus, we continue to ask about the meaning of life only to find our answer tumbling back down. The philosopher asserts that we should embrace the absurdity of human existence and take on the purpose of creating value and meaning. Efforts and resilience, not suicide and despair, are the appropriate responses. Camus argued that Sisyphus is happy and that we must emulate his resilience. The Greek hero is admirable for he accepts the pointlessness of his task, and instead of giving up or committing suicide, he has risen above his fate by deliberate choice and toils on. In The Stranger, with its famous line, Mother died, or perhaps it was yesterday, I don't know, the anti hero protagonist had to accept the absurdity of life. Opening up his heart to the beginning indifference of the universe, the novel conveys this conception of the absurdity of human existence and explores the alienation of a young man known as Marsault, who has killed an Arab and is condemned to death for his refusal to conform the Borg- uh, Borgias society's expectation of him, and not for the murder itself. When he does not weep at his mother's funeral or show any emotions, this compounds his guilt in the eyes of society and the juror who convicts him. This nation of the absurd can also be found in his other masterpiece, The Plug, in which human aspiration and happiness are undermined by the plug, set in the town of Oran, which is overcome by the deadly epidemic. The novel is an allegory of German occupation of France. Uh, in this novel, there are some major characters as well as some small characters. So the protagonist of this novel is Marsault. Marsault is a man who has no emotions towards the world, and because when he was told that his mother has died already, and so he did not weep for her for his mother, and also he did not feel any kind of sadness. So he was a emotionless man. The second character is Mary Cordona. Third one is Raymond Saints. Fourth one is Marsault's mother, and the chaplain Thomas Praise, the examining magistrate, the caretaker, the director, the prosecutor, the Salman, the Arab. And Marsault, he has no emotions towards the nation. That's why he killed the Arab without knowing that why did he kill the Arab. He just killed him because he has no emotion. Analysis of this novel, Camus utilized the stranger as a platform to explore absurdity, a concept central to his writings and at the core of his treatment of questions about the meaning of life. However, Camus did not identify himself as a philosopher. In fact, he observed armchair philosophy and and argued that sitting around and thinking was not enough. One needed to live life as well. He also did not identify himself as an existentialist. He agreed with some proponents of existentialist thought that life has no inherent meaning. Camus' concept of the absurd instead implored people to accept life's lack of meaning and rebel by rejoicing in what life does offer. Elements of his philosophy can be seen in Marsault as he refuses to behave as if there is meaning where there is none, or as Camus himself put it in a preface to The Stranger. Marsault does not play the game. Society thus feels threatened and cuts off Marsault's head. Similar themes can be seen in Camus' essay The Myth of Sisyphus, also published in 1942.